how to schedule threads for later posting. So click on this plus icon and then let's try to put right here of posts. So for example, say hi to everyone and then you can see this. So we have in here some more icon, like for example, this one. However, this is only a draft and you can click on the three dots and it only allows you to have label or an AI label. So when you click on this post right here, you can actually post it right now. If you long press it, it actually doesn't do anything. This is because Threads doesn't allow scheduled posting. What you can do instead is to just save the third drafts. And once it's been saved, just see if, for example, you want to post it around 2 p.m. Right now, it's around 12 p.m. or 12 noon. So what we can do is you can just set an alarm to 2 p.m. and then post it on that time. So that's how you schedule threads for later posting. Hope you help.